and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Hello guys, we're going to play 8 on a hand level 2, and this one is all about dynamics, which is how loud or how soft we're going to play on the drum. A musician who uses dynamics is no different than a storyteller that changes the way that they speak to make the story more interesting or make it more fun to listen to. So in this level, we're going to deal with 2 dynamics. Loud, which is called forte. You could think of it as a shout. And quiet, which is called piano. You could think of that one as a whisper. So here we've got 4 rounds. I'm going to play through each round 4 times. Grab your sticks and you can play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time through. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and third time. Last time. Third time. Last time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Round 3. Third time. Last round. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. There you have it, 8 on a hand, round 2.